Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays to you guys, but today I wanted to talk about something really exciting, which is Renderforest, and I'm going to be doing a giveaway. So anyway, Renderforest recently came out with their logo maker where you're able to design high quality professional looking logos and you're able to use them for anything. So not only can you make videos and make a website with Renderforest, but you can also make a logo for yourself. And so if you stick around to the end, I'm going to be giving away 8 coupon codes to you guys, so just stick till the end so that you guys know how to enter. Anyway, today I'm going to be doing a quick little tutorial on how to use their new system, which is super easy, so that's a really good plus about it. But anyway, without further ado, let's just get started with this tutorial. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is sign up or sign into your account. I just already signed in over here, but you can just sign up. It's free and it's simple to do. And then it will take you to a screen like this, or you just click on Make Logo, and then you can click on here, and what you're going to do is put in your company name or whatever name you want your logo to be. So I just put in IEditingX, and I'm going to click Create My Logo. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to write a bunch of keywords and stuff that I want for my logo. I want a phone blue. Oops. Blue and green, simple. What else? I like it to be, I'll write basic. And then once you put in a bunch of logos a bunch of keywords and stuff, just click on next. And it's going to take you to this screen where you're going to pick out text styles that you like. You can always change these later, by the way, but this is just like a general consensus on how you want it to look. So I'm going to click on regular, light, and yeah. And then once I have both of them, or however many, I'm going to click on next. Now it's going to take me to one of these screens, and on the left panel over here, you guys will see that there are a bunch of different options, and if you scroll all the way down, you'll see that there's a spot that says more logos. So I'm just going to keep scrolling until I find one that I really like. And even if there isn't one, there's an option later on to find your own icon so you don't have to worry. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on, I like this one over here. Okay, I'm going to click on this one, and it will pop up in my screen over here, and you guys can see that there are different icon styles, meaning that different ways for this phone to look. But I'm going to go with this one, and once I have it looking kind of how I want it, I'm going to go to Customize and Finish. So now if you want to make any adjustments, you can go ahead and do this. So if you need to change your logo name, like you spelled it wrong, if you want to add a tagline, you can see I can write editing Max. Did I spell that right? Yeah. But I don't really want that there. You can also change the text size and the icon size depending on how you want it to look. And you can change the font of this. See, I don't really like this font, so I'm just going to go to Change Text Style. And there's this huge section of different fonts, so I think I'm going to go with this one or this one. Yeah, I like this one. It looks really clean. And then on this left bar here, you'll see that there are even more options. So you can change color, icon, and align it. So I'm going to go to color, and I'm just going to change, I'm going to leave my text black, but I'm going to change the icon to blue and green. So I'm just going to use this bar here to find the color that I like, and click on here, able to find a green color I like. And so even if you don't like this option, what you can do is there are suggested color palettes, so you can just click on them and see how it looks. Usually these will look the best because they're like designed and like put together professionally. I'm gonna go with this one. I like this purple look that's going on, but I'm gonna change this to blue since I like blue better. Okay, yeah, and I like that. And then if I wanted to change the icon, I can go here to the icon button, and my logo can be icon based or text based, so if you want to get rid of the icon, I like it though personally. And if you want to change it to anything in particular, like say you want a bicycle, I'm just going to type in bike, and it's going to bring up a bunch of different options for a bike that I can use, and you guys can see that they're all different and they're all kind of have a different look to them, which is good, so you can really customize it. And then once I picked my icon and I made sure I like it, I can go to align right here, and I can change it if I want it in the center, left, inverted, or to the right. I personally like it to the left, and you can also change how far away it is. So now I'm just going to go back to text, and I'm going to change the size so it fits together a little better. And I'm going to change the color to black or gray. I'm going to go with gray maybe. Yeah, I think I like that. Yeah, so once you have a logo you like, you'll see that there's just this done button, so I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And if you want a low quality one that you can only use for nonprofit, you can click download for free. So this means you cannot use it on business cards or anything like that. But if you want to use it like high quality and use it like for your business or to make money with it, you're gonna go ahead and click on this buy one. So now I'm going to go ahead and talk to you guys about the giveaway. I'm going to be giving away 8 codes to Renderforest for you guys to make your own videos, and as you guys saw in my last video, you guys can make your own intros for your channel with Renderforest and stuff, which is pretty cool, so I'm going to link that in the iCard. Another thing is you can also use the icons or the logos that you make with Renderforest in those videos, which is pretty cool. So I'm giving away 8 coupon codes, and here's how to enter. Subscribe to IEditingX, which is this YouTube channel here. I want you to follow my Instagram at IEditingX, and if you don't have one, just make sure in your comment, instead of saying my Instagram handle is at whatever your Instagram is, just leave your email so that I'm able to contact you if you're one of the winners. And so then the third rule is to comment done down below with either your email or your Instagram handle so that I'm able to contact you if you win. So this giveaway is going to end January 17th, and I'm going to pick the winners within 1 week of that and contact you guys on Instagram or through email. Like within the next week, I'll pick the winner, and I will contact you guys and send out the coupon codes. There'll be 8 winners, and you guys will be able to get your own logo from Renderforest. So thank you so much to Renderforest for sponsoring this video and doing this giveaway, and thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and that you're able to create a nice little logo for yourself. And I will see you guys in my next video. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and Happy New Year. I hope New Year's really good, and good luck with all your YouTube channels. Bye, guys.
I love you.